Dream 11 IPL 2020, match number 40, Rajasthan vs Hyderabad playing 11 team. Rajasthan playing 11 team. Number 1, Ben Stokes, matches 37 runs, 7 runs, 17 50s, 100s, 1 wickets, 26 aggregate, 129. Number 2, Robin Uthappa, matches 185 runs, 4,339 50s, 21 aggregate, 129. Number 3, Sanju Samson, matches 103 runs, 2,445 50s, 1200s, 2 aggregate, 132. Number 4, Steven Smith, matches 91 runs, 2,268 50s, 1100s, 1 aggregate, 129. Number 5, Josh Butler, matches 54 runs, 1,648 50s, 11 aggregate, 149. Number 6, Rahul Dravid, matches 30 runs, 333 50s, 1 aggregate, 137. Number 7, Riyan Parag, matches 15 runs, 226 50s, 1 aggregate, 122. Number 8, Jofra Archer, matches 31 runs, 173 wickets, 39 economy, 7.27. Number 9, Shreyas Gopal, matches 49 wickets, 45 economy, 7.27. Number 10, K. Tyagi, matches 6 wickets, 6 economy, 8.93. Number 11, Ankit Rajput, matches 27 wickets, 74 economy, 8.93. Hyderabad playing 11 team. Number 1, David Warner, matches 135 runs, 5,037 50s, 46 104 aggregate, 141. Number 2, Johnny Batshaw, matches 19 runs, 761 50s, 500s, 1 aggregate, 144. Number 3, Manish Pandey, matches 139 runs, 3,055 50s, 17 100s, 1 aggregate, 120. Number 4, Kane Williamson, matches 48 runs, 1,483 50s, 13 aggregate, 136. Number 5, Vijay Shankar, matches 37 runs, 576 50s, 2 wickets, 4 aggregate, 132. Number 6, Prem Garg, matches 9 runs, 106 50s, 1 aggregate, 132. Number 7, Abdul Samad, matches 5 runs, 71 wickets, 1 aggregate, 161. Number 8, Rashid Khan, matches 65 wickets, 66 economy, 6.38. Number 9, Sandeep Sharma, matches 85 wickets, 99 economy, 7.99. Number 10, T. Natarajan, matches 15 wickets, 13 economy, 8.63. Number 11, B. Thampi, matches 20 wickets, 17 economy, 9.79.